That's a great question. Account based marketing is definitely a powerful tool for B2B lead generation, especially when you have a specific target audience. But here's the thing, ABM can work even better when combined with a solid SEO strategy. Imagine using SEO to bring in leads who are already searching for solution like yours, then using ABM tactics to nurture and close the leads. So it's not about choosing one or the other, it's about blending of both the worlds. The age-old question. The core principles of SEO are same, whether it's B2B or B2C. But the execution is where things shift. In B2B, you work with a longer sales process, more decision makers, and typically more complex products or services. The content focus shifts from quick wins to building trust and offering value over time. Instead of aiming for fast one off quick conversions like you do in B2C, B2B is more about nurturing relationships. It's more strategic game that requires consistency and deeper insights to move potential buyers through the funnel. Absolutely. In fact, one of the most effective SEO strategies is aligning your keywords with different stages of the funnel. Early on, a prospect might be searching for broad terms like project management solutions. As they move down the funnel, their search becomes more specific, like best project management tools for remote teams. Understanding these shifts lets you tailor your content to meet them wherever they are in the buying journey. Yes, 100% you do. Contextual SEO isn't just a trend, it's becoming essential in today's scenario. It's all about matching your content to the context in which users are searching. So instead of optimizing just for keywords like CRM software, you'd create content around how to manage sales pipeline in CRM software for small businesses. It's more nuanced and relevant, and it aligns perfectly with the way B2B buyers search for information today. I totally get it. It does sound like a bit of buzzword, but there's real substance here. Rand style content development is about creating a central comprehensive piece of content, your ranch, and then building smaller targeted pieces that all link back to it. Think of it like a content hub where all roads lead to that one ultimate resource. It's a smart way to strengthen your internal linking structure and boost your site's overall authority.